Welcome to the last part of the project forecasting series. This is going to be talking about the work in process report and the forecast and the journal entry that you will record in Intacct to record your over under or your costs in excess and billings in excess journal entry. If you have not yet done so, you will want to watch the Balancing WIP refinement course or lesson that discusses how to build this work in process report and talks about that design and the whole process of creating the journal entry with this WIP report. Okay, so the work in process report, I'm going to edit that. And instead of it saying project estimate, I've renamed this column to say project forecast. And depending on the structure of the naming of the forecasts in the system that you've decided to do, so you might do November 2022 forecast, December 2022 forecast. You might do quarterly forecasting on your projects. So depending on how you and how often you are forecasting, you might have many different budgets in here or forecasts. So I have one in this demonstration called Project Forecast. So each month I write back the current forecast to this one project forecast budget for my current forecast. Okay. So you could have a structure like this where you have your forecasting each month and you have multiple months you pick depending on which month you're on. Okay, so you could do a monthly forecasting structure or quarterly. So just so you know, this one is that one current project forecast. Okay, so each month you're going to want to come in here and change this and rerun it. You can do duplication where you could save one for the next month and call it like December 2022 work in process. And then you'd flip your project forecast to that December 2022 forecast. Okay, so really easy duplication in the system to duplicate this report for the next month. Okay, but for this example, we're going to do that. I'll hit save and done. And here's what it would look like generated. So here's my current forecast column for a specific month end. This report will take job to date cost divided by your project forecast to get your percent complete. Then it's going to calculate your revenue earned, calculate your over under here so that you can make your journal entry based on your most accurate forecast instead of something like that original estimate or the estimate that might be 3 or 4 months old. Okay. So easy to switch the forecast column here if you just go in and edit the column and switch it to that more current forecast here. Okay. So again, watch the Balancing WIP refinement video that also goes along with this in order to finish out the process of how to make that journal entry into Intacct for your over under or your costs in excess and billings in excess. Thank you so much.